Getting a raid press on Pokemon Go is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, open the Pokemon Go app on your mobile device. As you know, a Dark Flames time research event is currently going on in Pokemon Go. In this event, if you complete the third stage of your research quest, you will get a battle pass for free. But you might get stuck in one research quest where you have to purify a fire-type shadow Pokemon. If you don't have a fire-type shadow Pokemon, then you can easily catch one with the help of the GPS joystick. Or a wrapper app. In this application, you need to select Grunt and Foul type. And tap on the play icon. Now, click on the forward icon to get the coordinates of the Rocket Grunt location, which can give you a fire-type Pokemon. Teleport to the location and defeat the Grunt member to catch the fire-type Pokemon. After that, you can claim your Battle Pass for free.